Igbo ekene unu. Nana nkuzi ụbọchị taa na kanal Igbotutorials. N'ụbọchị taa anyị ga-ekwu maka anụmanụ. Ụbọchị taa bụ nkuzi nke abụọ na anụmanụ. Ọ bụrụ na ịmaghị maka nkuzi nke mbụ, m ga-etinye ya na nkọwa YouTube. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukwuma. Welcome to our second lesson on animals. If you missed our first lesson, the link will be in the description box below. If you're ready, can you bido? Also, which is bat. Abali. That's like the bat that flies at night. It's a kind of for a saying. Abali. Asege, kedihi na garare ko abali. Why are you roaming around like a night bat? Okay, the next one we have is Ezi. Ezi, which is pig. Okay, if you've been following us, you would know this one, or Koko, but this particular time is Oke or Koko, which is a rooster. Oke or Koko. Okay, the female is called Neku or Koko. And the next one we have Oke, which is rat. Okay, moving on. Obago, which is a duck. Owl, frog. Okwa, goose. Azu, fish. Ngwere, lizard. Eju, or some call it ejune. Eju, snail. Akbe, scorpion. And we have awo, snake. And that brings us to the end of this very short lesson. Continue to practice, okay? Continue to speak, continue to listen to Igbo and watch Igbo tutorials, okay? Till next time, come